Question 2. What does the use of paragraph 2 show about why some money needs to be destroyed? Pick two that are correct. Remember, we need to mark up the question and ask ourselves, is this a big idea question or supporting detail question? ELA Masters, what do you think? Is this asking about any text or just one text? Tell me, big idea or supporting detail? Whoa, if you showed me supporting detail, go ahead and give me a high five. Yes, this question is saying paragraph 2, and it's talking about why some money needs to be destroyed. This is talking about a specific part of the text. So let's mark up our question with the most important information. It's asking about paragraph 2 and why some money needs to be destroyed. Pick two that are correct. We know that we don't want to get tricked, and pick two. Scholars, now that I know that this is telling me to go right to paragraph 2, I know that I need to read that section of the text the question is talking about. And this question is talking about paragraph 2. First, I'm going to annotate that as SD, a supporting detail question. And then I wrote paragraph 2 so that I know I need to go back to paragraph 2. If you need to, go ahead and pause your video and write that in your pro codes. Good. Now, let's go back to paragraph 2. I'm going to reread the whole paragraph and think about my answer to that question. Why some money needs to be destroyed. How money gets dirty. Paper money is handled by over 1 million people. The hands it touches have grease, food, and many other things on them. Some people even write on money. This is against the law. Yet people use pens and pencils that make messy marks on bills. After years of touching, the dollar bill gets very soiled. Now, let's go back to our answer choices. A, some money needs to be destroyed because it will make food dirty if it touches the food. Did I really read that in my text? Agree or disagree? Right. Friends, it talks a lot about how people have dirty hands from eating food and then touch the money, but not how the money makes the food itself dirty. So I actually think there is no evidence in this paragraph that shows answer A. Letter B. Some money needs to be destroyed because people get grease on their hands from food. Friends, this is true that people get grease in their hands from food, but that doesn't automatically mean that the money needs to be destroyed. I could be getting grease on my food without any money near me. This sounds like it's probably answering a different question. Letter C. Some money needs to be destroyed because new money is printed to replace it. This answer choice tells me what happens when money is destroyed, but this isn't telling me why some of it needed to be destroyed in the first place. It's just telling me the solution. This answer choice also sounds like it's answering a different question. Letter D. Some money needs to be destroyed because writing on it is against the law. I did read that in paragraph 2 that writing on the money is against the law and it was destroyed. So it sounds like that one is correct so far. Let's double check letter E. Some money needs to be destroyed because it has touched many people's dirty hands and gets soiled. So this answer choice tells me that the people who are touching that money are getting the money dirty, and that's why it needs to be destroyed. I know that paragraph 2 talked about that, and that is a little more specific than letter B was. It's not just because people get grease on their hands. When they touch that dirty money, it gets soiled or dirty. So it sounds like that might be right too. Let's double check letter F. Some money needs to be destroyed because it has messy marks on it. Again, just like letter B, just because some money has a couple messy marks on it doesn't automatically mean it needs to get destroyed. So I also think that that is probably not relevant. That leaves me between letter D and letter E, but remember, I need to make sure that I select 2 questions that are correct. So it sounds like letter D and E are correct. If you need a moment to pause your video and write that in your scrap paper with poll codes, do so now. And let's select those on our questions. First of all, can you remind me, was question 2 a big idea question, BI, or a supporting detail question, SD? Right. This was a supporting detail question. It asked me about a specific paragraph and a specific detail in that paragraph. And I also know that my correct choices were D and E after using my PO codes. Go ahead and pause your video to select those now. Yes! Let's move on to our last question we're doing together.